There are numerous ways to make money online, but not all of them appear to be working, which is fine. Maybe you're just not on the right track and you've missed out on the proper ways to do it. Don't be concerned, you've come to the right place. This channel was actually created to teach you how to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars passively. In today's video, what you're about to see could have a financial impact on you. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use this website that I'm going to share with you in a minute to start generating anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in passive income. Just keep watching as I walk you through everything in this video because I want you to understand how cool this is. Now, if you're wondering what this website is about, it's a company that offers a variety of trainings and workshops. Now, if I go to the classes area right here, you can see that there are a lot of various types of classes such as fundamentals of photography and Adobe Photoshop, which fall under art and design. They have various drawing classes, branding, design, and many more. On this website, customers may purchase a variety of lessons. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a completely free solution that requires no financial investment and it's completely free. But in general, what we'll do is direct others to our website and advertise it as a place to buy and sell different courses provided by different skilled teachers. This is a completely legitimate opportunity and website that may benefit a large number of people. It's a win-win scenario since you can earn a lot of money online by referring others to all these specialized classes. Not only that, individuals may have a great time while learning a lot of things on this website. So, once you get to this website's homepage, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom right and search for this category over here. Join us, and you want to see here, Become an Affiliate, and then I want you to click on this link. It'll then send you to this website where you can learn about the affiliate program and how you can make money by connecting your audience to better content. There are lots of reasons to love and enjoy this website. One of these reasons is that they give you a huge 30% income share. 30% is a lot of commission on the internet world, and they even provide a vast range of different classes and courses that you can advertise, making it quite flexible and providing several earning potential. Furthermore, the second reason I enjoy the affiliate program is that your affiliate links will be tracked for a period of 30 days. So, after you sign up for a free account with their affiliate network, you can begin obtaining your unique affiliate links and advertising them in order to earn commissions. Aside from that, you may also receive money on all purchases made by your referred consumer within 30 days after the original click, in addition to the first 30%. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, let's assume that you're offering these programs right here, such as Fundamentals of Photography, and you can see that the pricing is actually $18. From there, we can make a 30% profit on the first $30, and that is in fact your first front-end commission. Now, if your recommended consumers decide to purchase, for example, this course, Adobe Photoshop, or they decide to purchase other different courses such as in the music and audio category, or they may just go on to purchase any other different courses within 30 days, you can still get paid. Based on my own experience, many customers return to this website and make additional purchases after enjoying and learning a lot from the quality of the training. Right now, they're offering a large discount, which you can see here. It's a New Year's Savings limited time offer, and you can get 50% plus off the Creator Pass today. So right now is probably your best opportunity to promote different courses on creativelive.com because they're running a huge discount. And yes, creativelive.com is the URL of today's method, but keep watching because towards the end of the video, I'll show you a couple ways to create traffic by getting free visitors to click on your affiliate links, which will result in a lot of people purchasing these courses through your link, and you'll be the one making a lot of money. Now, this site is worldwide. All you have to do is join the free affiliate program and click on the sign up button. From there, you'll get to this page. Now, from here, you may go down and read additional information about the affiliate program, which is basically just about to speak about 30% on the front end and a 30-day monitoring cookie. So when you get to the bottom of the sign up page, you can simply type in your username, password, and country under this part, and then you can just type in your password and continue to complete your registration. It's actually rather straightforward. You can just do it in 5 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you some of the potential ratios available on the website. Now, when you click on courses and then all classes, you'll be sent to this page where you can see that there are a total of 2,091 classes from which you may send free traffic to a certain online class, and here is where the next issue arises. What is even cooler is that you can actually send them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website. And if your customers or traffic people enjoy the free training, a lot of them will go on to purchase all of these online classes because they're running a huge discount, and a lot of people will love them and make a purchase and make a commission instantly. For example, if I click on this class right here, Fundamentals of Photography, I can watch the video, see the real cost, look over all the specifics including the pricing structure, and read a lot of feedback consumer testimonials as well. Another popular category over here is Adobe Photoshop, which has a large number of customers who are eager to get these courses right now, and they begin to learn about photo editing, and I've shown you a variety of free traffic techniques for getting people to buy from your affiliate links. Now, Twitter is a really effective approach to gain free visitors and earn a lot of money. All you have to do is go over to twitter.com and sign up for a free account. Now, Twitter basically works like social media. A lot of people come over here to ask a lot of questions, and they can get a lot of targeted traffic from people who are looking to learn Adobe Photoshop. So, for example, when you go over, just type in a keyword, how to use Adobe Photoshop. Then, click on the search button. You can find a lot of people asking this question, how to use Adobe Photoshop. There's a lot more of the similar questions over here. So they're just simply looking for a training class to learn about Photoshop, and guess what? All of them, they're super targeted traffic, and you don't have to spend any money right here to get a lot of commission from this strategy. Another well-known website, Quora, is generating a lot of free visitors, referrals, and commissions as well. It works similarly with our Twitter strategy. You can just go ahead and search on Quora, go to the search bar, where you can put in certain phrases such as how to be more productive, since they actually do provide these kinds of classes on creativelive.com. Self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances are just a few examples, and the trick is to cast a wide net in order to catch a variety of fish. You may, for example, use Twitter to promote various Photoshop tutorials and camera instructions, or you can just go to Quora and identify self-targeted individuals in the financial and self-improvement categories. By doing so, you may broaden your horizons and target a wider range of people. Most people are interested in graphics and design, and you may easily encourage them to take different classes. You may see your graphic design, logo design, and other work under the art and design area. Furthermore, the income potential ratio is limitless. It was available for all people around the world. It's completely free, and there are several categories or classes to choose from. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.